Welcome to Sign Tribe Academy. I'm Dr. Luann Sailors, the founder and instructor for Sign Tribe. We offer a comprehensive American Sign Language curriculum that covers various aspects of ASL, including vocabulary, conversational signing, sentence structure, and deaf culture. In this video, I'm sharing some benefits of teaching sign language within your classroom, Autism Center for your children. An Autism Center or anyone with autism can benefit from learning American Sign Language, or ASL, for several reasons, as ASL can play a significant role in supporting individuals with autism spectrum disorder. Here are some ways an Autism Center or individuals with autism can benefit from incorporating ASL into their daily communication. Enhanced communication. Many individuals with autism face challenges with verbal communication and may use alternative methods to express themselves. ASL provides a tactile and visual means of communication, making it easier for some individuals with autism to express their needs, feelings, and thoughts. Reduce communication barriers. ASL can bridge communication gaps between staff, therapists, and individuals with autism who have limited speech or language delays. This reduces frustration and misunderstandings, leading to more effective interactions. Visual learning. Individuals with autism often excel in visual learning environments. ASL, being a visual language, can be a valuable tool in teaching and reinforcing concepts, improving language outcomes for those with autism. Promoting independence. For individuals with autism who struggle with verbal communication, ASL can offer a sense of independence by providing them with the means to convey their wants and needs more effectively. Behavior management. ASL can be used as a tool for behavior management and redirection. Simple signs can be taught to help individuals with autism express their emotions and avoid meltdowns or challenging behaviors. Building social skills. ASL can be utilized to encourage social interactions among individuals with autism, helping them to engage with their peers, caregivers in a meaningful way. Supporting nonverbal or non-speaking individuals. Some individuals with autism may be nonverbal, have limited speech, or non-speaking. ASL can be their primary mode of communication, helping them to connect with others and participate more fully in therapy and social activities. Creating an inclusive environment. By incorporating ASL, an Autism Center creates a more inclusive environment that accommodates diverse communication styles, fostering a sense of belonging and also acceptance among all participants. Parent and caregiver engagement. Teaching ASL to parents and caregivers of individuals with autism enables them to communicate more effectively with their children by actively participating in their therapy and development. ASL as a calming strategy. In some cases, using ASL signs for calming words or activities can help individuals with autism regulate their emotions and reduce anxiety. Overall, learning American Sign Language can greatly benefit an Autism Center by improving communication, supporting individuals with autism in various aspects of their lives, creating a more inclusive and understanding environment for everyone involved. Complements existing therapy and intervention strategies and can be a valuable asset in helping individuals with autism thrive. Whether you want to learn ASL to communicate with others just for fun, or to improve communication with your autistic child, or to strengthen your bond with someone, Sign Tribe Academy is the perfect solution. Be sure to check out Sign Tribe today, and thank you for stopping by.